And voila, we're back. Everything is up to date. This is what we have. There's probably still neofetch, there is fast fetch, there is so many things. ALCI we used to have, I don't know if it's still present, still up to date. Things will go and will come again. I mean, termite, alacrity, stuff like that. Remember, how was it called? Yaourt was in the past, and we had another one. So the AOR helpers come and go as well. Voila, changes. So why are we here? Why am I here? To have a look at sudo pacman -s. We have several things. We have the ArcoLinux tweak tool. Voila, Git, but I'm going to install the dev version, the development version. There is also software development version as well. And there is the ArcoLinux, no, ArcoLinux application glade dev. The other one is not developed anymore. So we have ArcoLinux app, and the app is without an application called glade. So voila, we're gonna maintain this one and not the other one. Yep, those three. So one has to go out. We want to have the dev version and not the official version, development version. Let's do a quick check here. ArcoLinux tweak tool. Out and in. Okay, cool. So first test, ATT is working on Arch or not. We'll just see if it launches or not. We've changed a bit of coding. Well, actually Fennec changed a bit of coding so that it also works on Wayland. All the tricks we have to do to make sure our stuff works on Wayland, right? Another one, ArcoLinux application glade. Have a look. You can build your own ISOs here. You can build ArcoLinux ISO here, the Ariser ISO. So always the last bit, well, the last Lego blocks coming from Arch, coming from ArcoLinux, and then you have your ISO. You can install some stuff and scripting. And we'll have to figure out why it doesn't align. Has to do probably with some fonts that are missing on Arch, but on ArcoLinux it looks great, right? One line. So whatever it is, we'll figure it out in the future. That's not essential. And Sophie is another one. Sophie is better. So Sophie RAM software installer and remover. Super interesting little app, and it's working fine, and that is the only test I'm gonna do. And this is also something to remember. You can go for all these options, import packages, so install packages, explore, open package search, and so on and so on. There's more to it than meets the eye. Is I can say, let's install YAT, for example, and you see installing package YAT, and bye, it's gone again, right? So super easy, and it's basically what you see in Calamares. If you forgot to select something in Calamares, this is it, right? This is it. This is a overview of everything that we have on Calamares, and you want to have XChat, so be it, right? It's on you. Or voila, it's out again. So everything works. This is X11, I know, so I'm gonna log out and try it again on Wayland later on. But here it is, so 2 videos. We're up to date, we're on Arch. This is pure Arch, and these applications are working. So sudo pacman -s fast fetch is the one that we're relying on these days. FF does not exist. That is our alias, but fast fetch will work. And this is the look that it provides them. And voila. Okay. Okay. So if you want to have this, or if you want to make this permanent, maybe I should write dolphin bash rc, here you are. So instead of neofetch, we have now fast fetch, and a lot of stuff more, right? Don't want it, well, keep it like this. Okay, that's it for me. I'm gonna press one more time, Control T, So voila, that's the look that we have now. When we log in at ArcoLinux, we say whatever, right? Blanco is maybe better, and personally I prefer that, so no, I'm gonna keep it just for the Arch logo, so you know, hey, this is not ArcoLinux what we're filming here. And for all the new guys, as we call the newbies, no pejorative term at all, right? It's just telling you you need to learn a lot, and that's ArcoLinux, a university. Learn a lot. It's all free. It's all there. 4,000 videos. Just master it, and you become a master in Linux. /ArcoLinux /ArcoLinux / anything ArcoLinux based, right? All right. Have fun.